Hello, brothers and sisters. Hello. So we are. Hello, brothers and sisters. Hello. One minute. Test. Test. Hello, brothers and sisters. Test. Hello. Test. Test. لا. allora Unprofitable. With minimum risk. So, yeah. Test. شكرا الصوت. What the fuck? Test. Voilà. So need to build narrative. Narrative of today we have we have buy side liquidity. Not buy side liquidity. We have this big movement. I'm thinking that in the high time frame the price will come back and fill this high of this fair value gap in the daily. So my target will be the 50%. In the weekly we don't have something big, but this new week opening gap. This is the high, this is the low, the no low. And walk high. After that, we are going. So the daily, in the daily, what we have a price that didn't take this short, this sell side liquidity. This one right here. So by looking at the narrative, maybe the price will fill this gap, go down, or just from here go down directly to this imbalance right here, this one. So for now, the bias is I want to see how they react from this one. Yesterday they couldn't close above this high. Let's see what they're gonna do today. We have still 41 minutes. We have this 1 hour. 1 hour for value gap. With this order block right here. Price left this sell side after taking this liquidity. So we have this sell side liquidity of sell side Asian low. And let's look at ES. ES, we have a SMT divergence. So ES telling us that he is more willing to go to sell. If they could like close above this this order block in the daily, this one, OB in daily, OB in daily. So by that being said, I'm looking at you have relative equal highs, so 1 and 1 here, and Nasdaq already took this high. No, we don't have it. The high is this one at how much? No, it's still here. It is more weaker, but the Dow Jones, the Dow Jones is doing his thing. Is in consolidation. So here's the sixth system. So now my principal analysis should be right here. As you can see, they are building this narrative like this this liquidity. So what am I gonna do? By looking at this, price will probably go touch the high, if not go and break and then reverse or just continue. So I am, or he will just go down. So for my bias today is neutral. It depends on which liquidity on and how they will react. For more like 70% is short because we have this large liquidity. This liquidity, this one, I don't like it. I think the price will grab it and go. But if he's just continue and he go fast to the upside, I'm more willing to I'm more willing to take longs. So if he respects this 1 hour fair value gap and stays in the lower half of this busy, yes. Going into the 5-minute, what I can in the 15-minute, there is not much to see. Just this sell side liquidity, this one, sell side liquidity, and there is this fair value gap in the 15-minute. This one and blue face. Five-minute, there is this price is enjoying liquidity to the upside. Maybe I'm expecting like some expansion like this, and then reversal. The opening range gap is below in the 29.4440, 4440, so it's right here. No, it's below. And let's see how all the price is going to go. By looking at the market, what we have today, we have no important news, but tomorrow is CPI. So the day before CPI is usually very bad price action. So I'm not going to risk too much. 200. If I take a loss, I'm stopping. But I will try to take some good short. I'm sharing in my notes if I have like something. So I'm gonna be writing my emotionals mistakes and what caused these emotional mistakes. I already know what, but I'm gonna write it. If we are inside two previous days, wicks and gaps, day before CPI. One day before CPI, low probability, don't trade, or wait until 11:30. Macro. No high impact news, never, don't trade that week. Thursday, CPI, no liquidity sweep. Okay, I'm just review in weekly, in daily. Time distortion. Trading MAQ continuous CPI setup. This is CPI setup. In 2 minutes, markets open. No IV uses. So by the times we have 9:50 where macro starts to 10:10, and from 10:10 we have from 10 a.m. we have the silver bullet if we can trade it. By just looking at this like this, I can see like there is this accumulation. From 5 a.m. there is this accumulation, price sweep it at the macro time between 3:50 and 4, then rallied up, took the buy side. Same thing at the macro, took the sell side and went up to the buy side. 8:30 and midnight. Where is midnight open? Midnight is here, so probably price is going back to here. So the price is very short. I'm just waiting for buy side to be taken, and I have to wait for the exact moment for the reversal. Price opened. This is the opening range gap. There is one that's still unfilled from Thursday, Friday. This one. And this one, I think they're gonna fill it and then try to reverse. What ES is doing? ES has, we have SMT, ES took the buy side. So I think the Nasdaq is more weaker. Yes, Nasdaq more weaker. Let me write it right here so I don't forget it, because I have bad brain. So we have SMT here, SMT. It's gonna be choppy a little bit. So I don't have to make mistakes. And the one I make, let me set a daily loss limit, data speed, is, what is the daily loss limit? Ah, this is it. 350. Liquidate and block. So because the volatility, if you look at the volatility index, volatility index, it's still at the top, and it's at 91. The fuck? What the volatility? Wow. What the fuck? It's at 91. This shit happened just in the COVID start and VIX S&P. This is the VIX for S&P. But the volatility is regular on this one. 37, 39, 40. So the average movement, if like I want to put stop loss right here, it's 60 points. So as you can see, they respected this fair value gap. They are now inside the new week opening gap, that one that I mentioned. And now we have 50-second variable gap that has been filled. I'm not going to make a mistake and enter because everything can happen now. And it's just 4 minutes. I want to see like some retrace to the breaker below. This one. This one right here. If price can still respect it, that's short. So what did the price build? The almost 25% of the opening range gap. 50% it's at 590. 590. 590. Look at this candle, you will never short. Look at the buyers. Yes, I think ES is ES didn't reverse. So ES didn't reverse. It's still going on. So we have SMT right here, not there. This is the pre-market low that has been taken. Okay. We have this one right here, but I doubt because he took this sell side liquidity. So now I think we have a very good chance to long. But I want to see a body closer above this one. If I want to long, let me look. Yes, it's good for longs. Yes, little bit. I have this for the look. Let's see if we can respect it and not close above it and before. So if we are longs, as I said, the next target should be these stacked highs, these ones. The first target should be the 50% of this fair value. and then maybe tomorrow it's gonna be busy. Yesterday closed in positive. Price has taken the what? The previous daily high, previous daily low, previous daily low. So everything now is trash. So we have this annual where price went above it and stayed in the upper half. So it has no winning until go and come back down. But he's enjoying at the same time liquidity. So at any time the price can reverse and take these lows until here. So price didn't respect the breaker. Let's see. We have fair value up right here. This should be the first present fair value gap. This one. But we have not changed in state of delivery, so we are not doing nothing. No CICD yet. He's fucking launching rockets everywhere, killing children and murdering everybody. Nobody talks about that. So let's put some no copyright music, of course, YouTube, because you are going to shut me. No copyright music.
La sensazione magica di
create with
نعم بابا. انزل انزل. نصافر عندي. عشرين 20 يا 40 ولجت 70 20 60 60 و 30 90. This is the first present very good. I wanna see a fair value gap formation. So we have changing state of delivery. We have changed state of delivery. So this fair value gap should be respected. This one. S is more willing to. I think they wanna reverse so bad. It depends on the economy.
Perché accettare che il sito web sia sempre offline? Perché far aspettare i clienti finché la pagina non si carica? Perché perdere tempo con i backup?
Con l'hosting premium di Ionos ti assicuri le massime prestazioni 3 volte la velocità e la massima disponibilità per la tua presenza online al prezzo migliore.
Allora perché non iniziare subito?
Provalo ora gratuitamente. Ionos, il tuo partner digitale.
Is this the breakaway gap? This one is 100% breakaway gap. This one, I think the Nasdaq should go back to it. We have order block. Yes, we will see price come back down. That's sure. No? No, Oh, what the fuck? So we are long, the price is long, guys. I want some retrace.
Everything that I show you here would just be reversed.
Larry, you gotta punch. You gotta punch.
I want to see how he reacts to this level, but this one is very important. If he close this one and reacts from this one or this one, that's good. More probably this one will not take the price to the upside. Something like right here on the so he left the ace for the right here, so he is going to reverse it after. Look guys, look. I'm gonna buy it premium, not discount. Not discount, not premium. Yes, yes, is gone. I want to see how the macro will act. So everything what he done is for long. The Osama stupid will enter short just because he saw this price leg. If I see some closer above this high, I'm entering long. So the price is clearly long. No, the price is not long. Wow. Ho. This is my model. I'm gonna follow it. If I take loss, this 10 times, 7 times a wall. So I think the only one thing that I did wrong, I think the price is reversing. Well, I think I'm gonna get kidnapped by Nasdaq.
Proprio di tutto. Ma lo sapevi che anche YouTube Music offre un po' di tutto? Musica senza annunci, download dei brani, riproduzione in background e molto altro. Mica male. Passa a YouTube Music Premium.
I did everything wrong again. Imagine if he starts reversing. That will be a legendary moment. Go up. Okay, I got stopped out again and again and again and again. Not even one good trade. Okay, that's it.